What's going on, everybody? Today we are talking about clean air. And when designing the 416 Dentistry studio, we wanted to create a unique, relaxing, comfortable environment while at the same time ensuring that our guests and their families feel safe. The space has been engineered with operatories that feature floor-to-ceiling walls with doors and are also negative pressure rooms. In addition, we wanted to supplement this with medical-grade air purifiers in each operatory. And so we consulted the experts at Surgically Clean Air in Mississauga, Ontario. At 416 Dentistry, we invested in the Jade Air Purifier by Surgically Clean Air. On their website, it indicates that the Jade has been named one of the world's most advanced standalone medical-grade air purifiers. The Jade monitors air quality in real time. It removes air pollutants, viruses, bacteria, and fungus efficiently. Surgically Clean Air states that the Jade can clean and sterilize an average size operatory in under 2 minutes. Now that's pretty incredible. So if you think about it, if you come to 416 Dentistry for a 1-hour appointment, this air purifier alone can actually clean the air at least 30 times during this appointment. I got the box right here of a brand new Jade. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. As you can see, the Jade comes in this big brown box. It says Surgically Clean Air Jade right on the front here. We're gonna open this up here. So we're gonna fold this back, and then we're gonna flip this to the front here. And you can see it's well packed with this foam insulation here. So you can see that there. We're gonna just toss that to the side, toss this to the side. And you see a instruction manual here. We'll throw that off to the side as well. And we see the air purifier here. So this thing's a little heavy, so I'm just gonna take this out and then let's move it off to the side here. Here, put this on the ground, and then we're going to move this table out of the way so you can see this thing here. Oh, there's a power cord in here too. So let's just move this box out of the way, and then let's put this down here. And you see it in this plastic bag here, so let's get rid of this plastic bag. It's like taking off a t-shirt. There we go. Static. We're gonna just turn this guy around here, and you can see, attention, please remove the plastic bag from filter inside the air purifier. So that is really important. So we are gonna go over how to set up your Jade in the next video. But as you can see, there's the air purifier, which goes up to about my waist here. If I'm kneeling down, you can kind of see how big this is. It comes with the power cord. Uses just a regular power adapter or outlet. So this video was just a quick video of an unboxing of the Surgically Clean Air Jade. I think it's a really important investment to have medical grade air purifiers in your operatory so that patients are safe as well as their families, so that they know they're breathing in clean air. In our next video, we're going to be talking about the features of the Jade. We're going to be setting this up because we actually have to open this up so you get to see what's inside. And stay tuned for that video. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Stay safe, take care, and peace.